Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'll be showing us how to connect our SEED wallet on the SEED app so to be able to perform some tasks. I think it's one of the requirements because SEED just partnered with SEED. So I'm Crypto Insider. Do it, subscribe to my channel if you're new. If you're watching my videos, thank you. So previously I did a video telling us about the price prediction of SEED and things you have to do to qualify for the airdrop and to claim successfully. So here I'll be showing us how to connect our SEED wallet. So you have to click on this. So once you click, you have to sign in your Telegram account first before you can get to connect the wallet. There are two ways to do this. Either you use the SEED wallet itself or you use the MySEED browser. So but we'll be using the SEED wallet to do this. So I'll be showing us where to download the SEED wallet and we can go ahead. So you can download the SEED wallet directly from the Play Store. It looks like this. These are the SEED wallets looks like. So you can download from Play Store and then you can also download your MySEED from Play Store. So once you download it and you've set it up and put in your passphrase and your recovery phrase or your private key, anyone. So you can copy this link, which I've copied. It's going to be in my description. So let's open the SEED wallet. This is the SEED wallet. So once you copy the link, you open your SEED wallet. So this is the SEED wallet. You come over to here, the apps. Then you paste the link you've copied here. That's playseedgo.com/dashboard. So this is the link. This is the link. So first thing, let's connect our Telegram account. So it's going to open this up. You are logging into SEED. So click on login. It means that you are successfully authorized on SEED's site. Now you can go back to the site. So let's go back to our SEED wallet. So as you can see, we're already connected. Telegram, you can see that you cannot connect your wallets. Connect your SEED wallet, connect your Ton wallet. The Ton wallet is quite easier to connect. You can use your Ton Keeper or your MySEED. Then connect your SEED wallet, click on SEED. So as you can see, this is your address. So click on connect, then confirm. Then sign the transaction. Successfully linked to your wallet. So I think that's it. It's not difficult, it's not hard. So endeavor to sign your SEED wallet and make any SEED transaction you want to make. I think that's it for this. So the next one is for you to do that with your MySEED browser. It's also quite easy. You just have to download the SEED wallet extension and follow the same process. So let's check if this SEED wallet has been connected. So click on airdrop again. So you can see over here our SEED wallet has been connected. So nothing difficult, nothing so much. Then if you click on check your airdrop row, okay, you can see that the SEED wallet has been exhausted. That's it. So thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, if it was helpful, just to give me a thumbs up and a review in my comment section. So do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on post notifications so we're getting more updates from me. My Telegram channel account is in the description, so click it to join my Telegram channel so you can see lots of crypto alpha. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.